Annyeonghaseyo, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and tonight we're going to put together an exciting Korean recipe for lettuce wraps with pork belly. So join me in my kitchen as I put this incredible dish together. I think you'll find it quite appetizing. So let's go make it happen. Oh my gosh, okay, we're cutting up the 6 cloves of garlic, smashing them down, cutting them up fine. The old man's gonna do it. Yes, sirree, Bob. Get a nice fine chop on this garlic. It's gonna really bring out the flavor in this lettuce wrap with the infamous gochujang. Fine chop. I'll tell you what, man, you go down to the grocery store and you buy a pack of green onions, like $1.79. You cut those roots off, just put them in a pot with some organic soil, and you'll have onions forever. So this is ones I got right out of my garden, a little 1-inch cut on them, and we'll be using these here in a minute, so, hold on to your hat, I guess. Got this pot on blazing hot. We throw in our gochujang, our pork belly, whatever you want to call it. Bring that up on high. The little guy that got away. Don't worry about that little guy, or that guy, for that matter. Doesn't make any difference. But we got it going up to heat, cooking off nice. I don't know where that fat goes. It looks like there's a lot of fat on this meat, but it just like disappears. I don't know. Maybe it's like steam or something. You never figure it out. Stuff looks pretty fatty. It's like you cook bacon. You got all that bacon grease. You don't get it with this. Now that we've done cooked off this almost, we're going to throw in that garlic we cut up earlier. And you certainly don't want to burn this garlic because it'll get bitter on you. So that's why I cook this almost off completely. I mean, I don't want to be eating pork sushi, but at any rate, now we're just infusing that garlic into our pot here. Yes, sir. If my hungu is not up to par here in my pronunciation, we're going to next take and put in some Korean hot pepper paste called gochujang, or gochujang, I believe it is called, 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to put in some Korean red pepper flakes, as I recall, gochujang. Don't fault me on my hungu. I used to speak it pretty good, but I don't. Reasonable soy sauce, about 1.5 tablespoons. Give that another little stir, cooking all that flavor into this, spicing it up real nice. And then we're going to do something crazy here, and that is take some really good quality sesame seed oil. Nope. We're going to go with the green peppers. You got to cook for about 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes. Kind of get that pork a little crispy. That's what I like. But where's the fat? Can't figure that out. This is magic. This dish is magic, by the way. At any rate, those cook off a couple minutes. Oh, pain got away from me. Give a little shake, stick your gut. Now, we got the sesame oil. About 2 tablespoons. I love this stuff. And then to double doll this thing up, so you'd be dipped, dazed, glazed, and amazed, roasted sesame seeds. Oh, yes. This smells wonderful. Oh my God. Now we're going to assemble it. Getting that pork a little bit crispied up. Got some romaine lettuce. Got some nice long-grain jasmine rice. Ladle that up onto our romaine lettuce. Spread it out. You can do it. And then get some of that spicy pork belly. Gochujang. And hungu, teji is a pig, and gogi is some kind of meat. So I guess this is pig meat. I think there's probably a real name for pork belly. And then this is where it gets unusual because I put avocado onto it to give it just kind of a creamy taste. It's not what's original, it's what I do. And then we're going to serve this up with some North Korean liquor. Oh, absolutely. Where'd I get that? Never tell. Bam! Right on the money. Wow. Spicy, pork, avocado, little lettuce, little rice. Pretty nice. I need some love out there from you folks, man. I'm trying to build my subscribership up. Sub up. I'll be happy to indulge any new subscribers. You want me to cook you up something different? Certainly have the ways and means to do it. If you like what you see, give it a like that. Or if you don't like what you saw, you give it a thumbs down. Tell me what I did wrong. At any rate, fantastic dish here. Maybe your family enjoy. Kids shouldn't mess around with the liquor, of course. But at any rate, closing this out, as always, bon appetit. Alright folks, we have just put together this delicious Korean-inspired lettuce wrap with pork belly. And I dolled it up, which is not traditional in Korea, with a little bit of avocado, which is going to make it mighty fine. But before we do that, we're going to indulge ourselves in an adult beverage made from the DPKOR, North Korea. Where did I get this bottle? I think in the back in Hanggu, it says that it can be used for brake fluid. It's a well-known liquor. I don't know where you get this. I know where I got this, but I'm not telling you. Gumbe. There is a little bit of brake fluid taste to that. What's made out of it, I've got no idea. At any rate, let's get down to this special delight that I just created and give it the old taste test and see how this guy tastes. Bam! Right on the money. Wow. Spicy, pork, avocado, little lettuce, little rice. Pretty nice. I need some love out there from you folks, man. I'm trying to build my subscribership up. Sub up. I'll be happy to indulge any new subscribers. You want me to cook you up something different? Certainly have the ways and means to do it. If you like what you see, give it a like that. Or if you don't like what you saw, you give it a thumbs down. Tell me what I did wrong. At any rate, fantastic dish here. Maybe your family enjoy. Kids shouldn't mess around with the liquor, of course. But at any rate, closing this out, as always, bon appetit.